Does a Brita filter remove lead? Yes, certain Brita filters are designed to remove lead from drinking water, but not all models are capable of filtering lead. Below is a detailed breakdown of which Brita filters remove lead, how effective they are, and important considerations. 1. Do all Brita filters remove lead? No, not all Brita filters remove lead. Only specific models are certified to reduce lead levels in water. 2. Which Brita filters remove lead? Brita filters certified to remove lead include Brita Long Last Plus Filter, blue, removes up to 99% of lead. Brita Elite Filter, blue, also removes up to 99% of lead. Brita Faucet Mount Filters, certified to reduce lead and other contaminants. 3. How do Brita filters remove lead? Brita filters that remove lead use. Activated carbon to trap contaminants. Ion exchange resin to capture heavy metals like lead. This combination helps reduce lead particles from tap water effectively. 4. What certification do Brita filters have for lead removal? Filters like the Long Last Plus are NSF/ANSI 53 certified, which means they meet standards for reducing lead and other contaminants. Always check for the NSF/ANSI 53 certification when purchasing a filter for lead removal. 5. How effective are Brita filters at removing lead? Brita Long Last Plus and Elite filters can remove up to 99% of lead from water when used according to manufacturer instructions. Regular replacement of the filter is essential for maintaining its effectiveness. 6. How often should you replace Brita filters for lead removal? Brita Long Last Plus filter. Replace every 6 months or after filtering 120 gallons. Faucet mount filters. Replace approximately every 100 gallons or every 4 months. 7. What other contaminants do Brita filters remove? In addition to lead, certain Brita filters also reduce chlorine, taste, and odor, mercury, benzene, asbestos, cadmium. 8. Limitations of Brita filters. Not all models filter lead. Ensure you select the right one. Requires regular maintenance and filter changes for effectiveness. May not remove other contaminants like bacteria or viruses. Brita filters focus on chemical and particulate contaminants. Certain Brita filters, such as the Long Last Plus and Elite filters, are highly effective at removing lead, provided they are replaced regularly and used correctly. Always check for NSF/ANSI 53 certification to ensure your filter is designed to reduce lead and keep your drinking water safe.